And we begin at 5 with what you might call a success story when it comes to Measure 110. As lawmakers in Salem debate overhauling that law, which decriminalized drug possession, an addiction recovery center in Newberg is marking 1 year of helping people find a way forward. Thanks for joining us. I'm David Molko.
And I'm China Green. That recovery center, funded in part by Measure 110, has helped hundreds in the last year. So let's bring in Blair Best, who is live in downtown Newberg. Blair, what do services like this mean to that area?
Well, when you think of addiction and homelessness, for many people, the focus goes straight to downtown Portland. But it's a crisis felt in much of rural Oregon, too, where resources are even more limited. So that new recovery center, the first of its kind here in Newberg, is really making an impact for those looking for a second chance here in Yamhill County.
Yeah, please, come on in.
Tucked off North Villa Road in Newberg
Come on through.
is an open door for those struggling with addiction.
Yeah, we provide outpatient treatment services here.
Joe Bezegi is with Recovery Works Northwest. They run the clinic. It opened 1 year ago this week. It's the first of its kind in Yamhill County.
So we offer medicines that reduce overdose, control cravings, and otherwise support recovery.
It cost just over $1 million to open. They could afford it, all thanks to Measure 110, the landmark voter-approved initiative that decriminalized public use of hard drugs and put cannabis tax dollars toward opening centers like this one. It's a partnership that can't be missed here, as the shop next door is a marijuana dispensary.
So Measure 110 provided us an opportunity to establish a physical presence here in Newberg, serving Yamhill County residents.
I started using fentanyl about 2 years ago, got heavily into it, became homeless, lost my job, lost my family.
Justin Bai and his wife Nicole are among the more than 450 people the clinic has helped in the past year.
I get the Suboxone shot, so I come here once a month and get a shot in my stomach. It's helped me immensely. I don't think I could have done it without them.
And they welcome me back every time, even if I'd failed previously.
They're just very, very supportive. A lot of them have been through it themselves, and that helps a lot.
Like Robbie Hoffman, a mentor at the clinic.
I learned from them back when I was a patient and what I needed, and now I'm able to reverse that and give that to the people.
Blair Best joins us now. Blair, we just saw a positive side of Measure 110, but there's also talk of reversing parts of the law and recriminalizing possessions of hard drugs. So what has been the reaction there?
Well, China, it's a move that those at Recovery Works Northwest say is not a long-term solution. They say that could criminalize addiction and force people into recovery before they're ready, which they say just complicates the system and leaves people with a higher risk of relapse, overdose, and death. China.
Blair Best reporting live from downtown Newberg. Thank you.